are we going to get into today? Well, today we are going to make a cherry limeade moonshine. This ought to be pretty fantastic. I mean, hey, the weather's starting to get nice and warm, and I thought this would be pretty good just to sit out on the deck and watch the evening go by. All right, so let's get into this. But first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. All right, I'm gonna ask you for a favor though. Okay, if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button down there, whatever side it's on. It really helps us out, and I would really appreciate it. So please do that if you can. If you haven't done it already, a lot of people already have. Okay, so now let's get into it. All right, this is such a simple recipe to make. I'm really looking forward to it. Like I said, we only got 5 different ingredients. Okay, so the very first thing we need, you're going to need a pot. And this is just a quart of water. We're going to put that in the pot. And like always, you can adjust this to whatever way you want. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put in there is 2 cups of just plain old white table sugar, right? And I guess that's where the Limeade will come into effect. Okay, so I want 2 cups. There's 1 and 2. All right, 2 cups of sugar. All right. And the next thing we want to do is 1 cup of lime juice. 1 cup of lime juice. That's going to be pretty much this whole container. It is that whole container. 1 cup of lime juice. So put everything in here except for the shine. And we need 1 cup of, this is the tart. I'm going to shake it first. I don't know if you have to or not. The tart cherry juice. That's what I'm using. So we need 1 cup of that. And you can adjust this any way which you like. Okay. The only thing we're not going to put in there yet is the shine. All right, so let's start warming this up. And really, we just want to bring it up to a simmer. And I think really all you need to do is melt the sugar. So it's going to make a bunch of noise. Sorry about that. The neighbors over are shooting a little bit, doing a little action going on. So we're going to bring this up to melt the sugar. All right, so I am going to need this and this. All right, so while that's warming up, let me grab a couple bottles and I'll be right back, okay? Cut this off because all the sugar is melted. All right, so next thing we want to do is, I'm just using this is 80 proof shine. So I want to add that in there. All right. Give that a stir. And all we gotta do is, now these bottles here, I've said this in the past, these bottles here they're 750 milliliter bottles. They're not quite a quart. They work pretty good for what I like to do. So all we need to do is fill our bottles up. There's one. I like to have these different kind of shines on in the refrigerator for the summertime. Yeah, they're just fantastic. I think I can pour this now. Okay. Now you know what the good part is? After I put a lid on these, let's give her a try. Okay, so this is our cherry lime moonshine. All right, cherry lime Aid moonshine. Ooh, that is a very easy drink. I think it'd be a lot better on some ice cubes. Oh, that is good. That is fantastic. I mean, the tart cherry, which I like, is because it gives you just a nice tart taste, especially with the lime juice. Oh, and you get that citrus hit. That is delicious. So, like I said before, that is our cherry limeade moonshine. Hey, and the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Wednesdays with Randy. All right, cheers, everybody.